Welcome to the Cedarholm Library. Today we will be exploring the home search function and its many features offered to patrons, students, and staff. First, you will open my.mbu.edu and log in using your Maranatha credentials. Once you have done this, you will then navigate to the quick links at the bottom left-hand corner of the web page. You will then move your cursor and select by left-clicking on the Library Search tab. Once there, this link will open up in a new tab automatically with the EBSCO or Home's basic search bar. Once on the web page, you will see familiar links such as databases, other online resources, various help pages, and services offered by the Cedarholm Library. But today, our focus is the search function. By selecting the drop-down menu next to the search bar, you will be able to search keywords, titles, and authors. Once you begin typing, you will see various popular terms and publications for selection pop up below the search tab. You can select any one of these terms and begin searching. We will select the yellow search button and begin our research. Once you've navigated to the results page, you may begin scrolling through the various articles, books, and other results that pertain to your subject. Now it is key to point out that the search bar has moved to the top left corner of the screen. And you will also notice that there is a Refine Results area on the left side of the web page. If your term is too broad or you cannot locate specific results, you may limit your results using the following options: scholarly or peer-reviewed journals. You can also select full text or catalog only, and this will limit the sources to the ones that the library offers in physical format, while selecting no reviews will remove any published book reviews. Below the checkboxes, you'll select the publication date limiter. Here you can select what year to what year you would like to refine your results. Below the publication date limiter, you will also be able to limit what format the search results present. From academic journals to reviews, magazines, books, and news, you may also want to select Show More. But for now, we're going to just select Books. Below Format, you will see related subjects as they relate to the search topic above. We may select any one of these as we want to research further the background of our term or to get a better handle on the subject. Below the related terms, we can then select publications, languages, and databases where things are found. If basic search in Homes cannot generate the right results, you may select Advanced Search next to the Search History button under the search field at the top left hand of the page. The search field is changed to include 3 text boxes with 3 drop-down menus. These have even more specific fields from text, author, title, to subject terms, journal titles, abstracts, ISSN numbers, and ISBN numbers. Using the 3 search boxes in Advanced Search and the Boolean limiters, we can include more subjects or limit other subjects. So here we will then add the book Romans. Again, once you've entered the information you are searching for, you will click the yellow search box. Once here, you will see all your results pertaining to your more specific search. Now it's your turn. Have fun searching with basic or advanced search functions on Homes. Happy searching!